welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the LXDE desktop of Archcraft. This is the gritter screen of the LXDE desktop in Archcraft, and at the bottom left, we have got the session selection. So here we got the LXDE session, the open box session is there, and the KDE open box is there. So first we will check out the LXDE session, then we will check out the XFC session that I have installed in another virtual machine, and then later on already we have checked the open box in the first two videos. So we will directly skip to the KDE/open box, where the open box window manager will replace the default window manager of KDE, and it will work along with KDE. So that will be very interesting. It will be similar experience that we had in the Arco Linux. In Arco Linux also we have tried this combination of KDE plus open box. So let us start with the LXDE desktop. So we have to input our user and the user password. So this is the LXDE desktop. First, let us correct the resolution. Resolution did not automatically scale to the size of the screen. So we'll have to do it by ourselves. You see there is no 1300 resolution, I think. Yeah, it is there. Okay, so it is at the bottom, 1360. So this will correct the screen, and we have to save this configuration. That's it. So now we will start with the LXDE desktop. So this is the LXDE desktop with the panel at the bottom. You have got the application menu here. You have got the desktop selection here. So there are 5 desktop or 5 workspaces to be selected. This is the file manager. You have got the Mozilla Firefox. The Alex terminal is there, and the Guinea is there. Guinea will be the text editor, default text editor. You have got, this is the, I think, weather app. So weather app is not working right now, so we will require to configure it. This is the power manager, I think. Yes, this is the power manager. Then you have got the network manager, and you have got the calendar, day, date and time function. On the desktop, you have got the trash can and the documents folder available as a shortcut. So my preference is always to keep the trash can at the right hand side bottom, and the document and other folders or files that are available on the desktop to the left. So first we will start with the, let us go with the file manager. Right now there is the file manager link is not working, so let us go with the application menu. So in accessories you have got calculator. Calculator is the calculator found in the GNOME desktop. It is made for the GNOME desktop, but you can use it in any of the desktops. You have got image viewer. The quantum manager is there to install and manage your themes. You have got the main menu where you can add and remove applications from the main menu. Picom is a X compositor. Vim is a text editor, advanced text editor, and the X archiver is a GTK only archive manager. So let us open the quantum manager. So here you can install and update themes. You can download the themes to a folder, and from the folder you can select the individual quantum themes, and then you can install it. You can change and edit the themes also. So right now the KV Arc Dark is the theme that has been applied. You can change the theme. If so, let us see if any other themes are available. Yes, so a lot of themes are available. Let us go with the KV ambience. Let us see what happens. So you can preview the theme from here. So this is how the theme will look, and you can apply the theme now. From here the button is given, so it will change the look of the desktop. Okay, now you have to close it, and you can apply. Yes, now the theme is getting applied. It was not getting applied from the earlier window dialog. So this is the KV ambience theme. Then you can further change the themes also. So this will give us a preview. So this is how it will look. You will require to I think reboot or log off and then log in to make the theme apply properly. Right now you see it is a mixed theme. Right now this is all dark and this window is white or light color. So it is not getting applied properly. Now let us check other themes. So KV adapter is there. Let us go with the KV adapter. Just a moment. How this theme will look. Okay, I will cancel it from here. Let us go with the KV ambience 2. Why two themes are there? I don't know. But KV arc we can try. Let us try for the KV arc. And in the preview you can see this. This is how the KV arc looks. Slight difference is there. Now let us go with the KV adapter dark. Let us use this theme. So yes, this has changed the window to dark. And you can see it in preview how it looks. Then you can go with KV adapter also. Use this theme. So it is a white theme. Then KV dark, KV beige. Let us try this. This should be interesting. So there is slight beige tinge to the window color. This is how it will look. This is also nice looking theme. Now there is another theme. KV blender is there. Let us apply the theme. This also looks nice. It is cool for the eyes. You can see it here in the preview. This is how it will look. KV brown is there. Let us use this theme. The background changes to a shade of brown. You can see it in the preview also. This is how it will look. Then you can go with the KV curves. Use the theme. This is how it will look. How the dialog boxes, the windows, how all of those will look. Now we go with KV curves. We are checked. There are 3D KV curves. Just apply the theme. Now check. So this is how it will look. Now I will directly jump into KV cyan. Is also nice looking theme. Then KV dark is there. Let us use this theme. This is how it will look. So the background, it will become reddish. At KV flat light, let us see. I will not go through all the themes. We will try some random themes. This is how it will look, because then it makes the video very long. Now let us go with the KV Mojave. This should be interesting. Okay. Now I will go with the KV oxygen. Let us try the KV oxygen theme. Yes, this looks very nice, very smooth looking theme. We go now with KV simplicity. Use this theme. This is also nice. Then we go with the KV simplicity turquoise. This is also fine looking theme. Now let us go with the Yarrow. Yarrow should be interesting. Apply the theme. This is the Yarrow theme. This is very flat theme, but it is little bit bright for the eyes. Otherwise, it is good theme. And finally, the quantum alt theme. This is also, it's just a normal, very common theme. Is also good. Now with this, I will now we will close the quantum manager and return back. Maybe we should try out the desktop preferences. Let us try out the wallpapers that are available. Let us try this wallpaper. So this is how things look. This is nice wallpaper. I like this wallpaper. Looks makes the desktop look great. Then we can go with the bird JPG. Okay, this is nice. These are the same wallpapers that we saw in the open box window manager. So this is the Windows 11 wallpapers. We will not go through all of them. Let us open the Cyberpunk. This is nice looking. This should look very nice. Yes. Yes. Wallpaper was my favorite. Yes. Looks good here in LXDE also. Nord. This is okay. I didn't like that much. Nordic wallpaper. This is okay. Manhattan. Yes, this looks very nice. Crew box. This is also looking very nice. Forest will also look very nice. Yes, this is beautiful looking wallpaper. Pack. Another nice wallpaper. This will also look very nice. No, it's just about okay. Average wallpaper, I can say. This is the Rick wallpaper. Peace among worlds. Slime wallpaper. This one was nice looking. This is the Spark wallpaper. So this is it. These are all most of the wallpapers we have checked. Now I will close this. Let us get back to checking out the applications. So we were in the accessories section. We have checked. Now let us check out the main menu. What they have got to offer. Yes. So these are the applications that are right now being shown to you. You can add or remove the sections or the applications itself, and you can restore the system configuration. So it will restore or whatever the application menu as it was designed by the developer. So you got different sections here. You can see it here. Okay. Then you have got flame shot. Just let me go back again. So flame shot, what is flame shot? Let us see. It is not working or what? No, it is. It has got a shortcut here. Yes, so it is a screenshot taker. You can launch it via open launcher. You can then upload it to your share drive. This is the configuration. This is the OpenShot configuration. You can configure the UI color editor. You can choose the color picker editor. So you can modify the screenshot. You can modify the interface of the app. You can change the file name editor. So you can basically edit the naming nomenclature of the Flameshot. So you can choose the year, choose the minute and hour. So that will be used by the Flameshot application to name the screenshots taken. So this is how it will look. Flameshot %f %t. So this is the time and this is the file name. So Flameshot file name and the time shot. So the timestamp will be given according to the choices we have done here, and it will be saved like this. So Flameshot, the year, and then the time. Then there are some general settings, some shortcuts are there. You can, I think, modify the shortcuts also. Yes, you can modify the shortcuts also. So that's it. And you can, I think, upload. Okay, you can upload those to some shared drive also, I think. Yes. And you can take a screenshot also. So there are some keys, shortcut keys. Mouse, select the screenshot area. Using the mouse, using the controller, save the screenshot to the file. So let us do this, and then you can save it, and you can choose an app to capture. So let us use image viewer. So the screenshot is saved, and we are seeing it using the image viewer right now. So it is very easy to use this app, and you can change the tool size. For example, I select this. So in 3 seconds it's taking the screenshot, and you have got all the tools that are available in the Flameshot here. You can use these tools. The brush tip is there. You can select a circle as a paint tool. You can select rectangle as a paint tool. You can paint on the screenshot taken. You can set arrow as the paint tool. So different paint tools are available. You can show X and Y dimensions of this selection. Move the selection area, undo the last modification. Different all typical features are available for the screenshot app, and further you can upload it to some cloud or the share drive, and you can choose the app to open the capture, that is the screen capture. So this is it. Now I will exit it out of the panel. Let us go ahead. In the internet section, you have got Firefox. I am sure it will be version 108 only, latest version. In Office, you have got only the Atril document viewer. No Office suite is provided. It is a minimal install. So that's why you have to install the Office suite application of your choice. So you can go to the store and install it. In programming, you have the text editor, and Meld is a comparing. It helps you to compare and merge your files. In the sound and video, you got the LX Music simple, that is the LX Music simple music player, and the simple screen recorder is there. This is version 105. It is not the latest one, but in the earlier ISO that we have checked in Archcraft, it was version 108. So maybe it requires an update. So it will be updated to the latest one. Then you got this LX Music player. Let us check it out. So this is the LX Music player. Version is 0.4.7. It is made for the LXDE desktop only. So what they have done is they have provided an GUI for the XMMS2 client. So this is the XMMS2 music player, and they have added a simple GUI to make it more usable for most of the new beginners or people who prefer the GUI environment rather than the terminal. Now let us go over to the simple screen recorder. So this is the simple screen recorder. Here you first will have to either configure the options for video input, scaling frame rate, scaling of video, record cursor, audio input. So you can specify the backend, the source for the audio input, all those things. Video input also you have to specify the resolution and all those things. And Either you can directly import a profile. So suppose you got some other installation where this simple screen recorder is properly configured, you can export the profile, copy it to your USB and put the USB in this system, and then you can import the profile from the USB. So that will reduce your work. So you can just copy and save the profile, ready-made profiles, and then you can get on with your screen recording work. I will close this now. We will go ahead. Now in the system tools, let us check out the about Archcraft. So it is version 2022.10. So this is the older version. So this is not yet updated. What we saw in the OpenBox window manager, it was the ISO was updated to the January. This is still the older version. So I think you will be not able to upgrade this to the 2023 January ISO, because in earlier before the January 2023 all the ISOs were not upgradable. For the major versions you have to reinstall the system again. So better is you wait. If you want to install the Archcraft LXDE desktop, you will have to wait till the January to 2023 or the February 2023 ISO is released. So this ISO, January or February ISO, you can upgrade to the major releases of the software. So you need not reinstall the whole system again and again. So you better wait for it. You got the file manager, that is the PC man FM. So this is a simple but very effective file manager. It gets the work done. Most of the required features are available in this file manager, and it is very light also. You can see here, it's very light and very fast. Just clicking instant it produces an result. So the navigation through the file manager is also very fast. Let us check out the H-top. So here you can see the memory usage is very low, 472 MB only out of the 3.83 GB available. Total only 68 tasks are there. We saw in OpenBox there were around I think 45 or 49 tasks. Here only 68 tasks are there, and the number of threads also is little less. It is 109 threads. Load times are also very light. You can see 0.06, 0.23 and 0.18. So it is even faster than the OpenBox window manager, I think. And uptime you can see 26 minutes since we have started this virtual machine, and these are the processes that are running. Then this is the LX terminal. Then this is the printing support. So this is the LX terminal. The version is 0.4 LX terminal. So we'll keep this running in the background, and this is the open printing cup support. So you can directly get on with your printing. Just you can plug in, and then you can start using the printer. So most of the printers are configurable. So I will now close this. Now let us go ahead. Yes, this is the Ranger file manager we have seen earlier. So it is a TUI, that is the terminal user interface based, and it is very fast, just like the file commander file manager. It is there, very fast, very user friendly. And these are some preference settings are there. So we will go and check out the preference settings, what is there. So this is the Bluetooth manager. So you can check out the Bluetooth device here, and you can configure the Bluetooth devices, what action will be taken when the Bluetooth devices are within the range. All those things you can do. Typical Bluetooth configuration will be done from here. And here you have to customize the look and feel. So here it is better to use this to customize the look and feel, because if we change the themes from some app and then change the wallpaper from some app, then there is a mess up or the mashup is there. So better what you do is you change the looks from the customized look and feel app only, so that will be easier for you, and it will consume less time otherwise, and also it will make sure that there is no mess up. Otherwise what happens is the color is from some other theme, the theme main theme is something different, the mouse cursor and the window border fonts all are from different themes, and it creates a mess up. So best is to use this theme. You can see here. So what I will do is, let us open a one. Now we will check this. So how it changes. So right now the Advaita theme is there. We changed to, first we change it to Advaita. So it has changed the folder. Now we change to arc dark. So it was arc circle, right? Sorry, arc circle. So this was the default icon theme. Then you can change it to the Archcraft, then the Archcraft dark. So you can see here it changes the folder icons. Hack is there, Luna. So these are the same that we found in the open box. Luna Light. It is taking some time to apply. Nordic, New Mix, Papyrus, Ogir, Ogir Dark, white folders, Windows 11. So that's it. I think yes, there are some. Yes, Zafiro is there. Yes, we cannot miss Zafiro. Then Zafiro is very good looking thing. I like the work of Zafiro. It was looking fantastic in the open box window manager. Zafiro Blue Dark, Zafiro Dark, Zafiro Green, Green Dark, Purple, Red Dark. Now we can change the background color, foreground color also. I think use customize color theme, and then you can change the background. So you can create your own colors, or you can choose any colors using this slider. There are 2 point and a slider is there, so you can use this and apply the custom color that you choose. Oh, I just shut it off. Let me go back. Custom look and feel. Icon theme we have seen. Mouse cursors. So there are different mouse cursors. Advaita, Fluent, Fluent Dark, Future, Future Dark, Lion, Lyra B, Lyra F, Lyra P, Lyra Q, Lyras, Lyra Y, Material, Material Dark, Peer, Kagir, Kagir Dark, Sweet, Vmix, and Vmix Dark. And these are the window borders. So you can have this adapter bitmap, adapter nocto, arc bitmap, arc dark, arc easy, arc lighter, art box, clear 2, clear looks 3.4, clear looks olive, hack, Juno Mirage, Juno Pale Night, Krypton, KV Adapta, KV Ambience. There are 2 KV Ambience, I think. Yes, there is some difference in the shade. Quantum, KVR Dark, KV Beige, Brown, KV Curves Light, KV Cyan, KV Dark. Genome is dark, Genome mild, KV Genome, KV Grey, KV Oxygen, KV Simplicity, KV Rough Grass, Manhattan, Dark, Simplicity Dark and Simplicity, Pikachu, Natura Nordic, Coin Citrus, Orange, Slime, Sweet Dark, Spark, Slime, Sky Crash, Wave, White, Windows 10, Windows Dark. So then there is this font. So you can choose the font settings from here. For example, the subpixel geometry, hinting, and the anti-aliasing. And there is some other section. So here you can choose the GUI options for the toolbar style, toolbar icon size. So you can change the toolbar size from large, small, same as the drag icon. So it will change the size and it make it equal to the drag icons or same as the dialog icons, large toolbar icons. So size of the toolbar will be equal to the toolbar icon size. So these are all the settings. You can change the sound effects. You can add accessibility settings in the GTK applications. So that's it for the customized look and feel app. And this is the power manager settings. Monitor settings you have seen. Keyboard and mouse settings are there. Desktop session settings are there. You can specify which apps will start automatically when the system starts up, and there are some advanced settings. So you can change the window manager here. So right now the OpenBox LXD is being used, and maybe you can change it to some other window manager if you prefer. You can set up hotkeys or the key bindings from here. So these are the default key bindings. You can change it as you wish. In the power manager, you can specify the buttons for suspension, for sleeping, for hibernate, for the suspend, battery button for suspend, status notification, system tray icons. You can specify the power saving for the screen, security, that is the lock screen whenever the system is going to sleep, and the display settings, general power management for the display, blank after how many minutes, put to sleep after how many minutes, switch off after how minutes, and the brightness reduction settings. So all the required settings for a comfortable experience are given in the LXDE desktop. Keyboard and mouse settings. So here you can change the motion of the mouse, sensitivity of the mouse. You can swap the mouse from right hand to left hand, and you can specify the settings for the character repeat delays and repeat intervals. So that's it. I think there is nothing much to see. It is a simple desktop, but it is very effective and it has got the speed to make your productivity better. With this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.